This is the Iowa Weather Report for Wednesday, September the 26th, 2012. It's now time to take a look first at the 0Z GFS Model Run. 1 p.m. this afternoon, we still have a trough over the Great Lakes and some disturbances along the base of that trough over the Ohio Valley and back into the Central Plains. And with that, there could be some showers and thunderstorms in that vicinity, but around here we're under the auspices of high pressure over Minnesota, keeping the air dry and the skies mainly sunny. On Thursday, still high pressure over the upper part of lower Michigan, keeping us still dry across our part of the country, while the Ohio Valley and into the Central Plains remains rather wet. That even continues into Friday. It seems to be a benign weather pattern with high pressure, at least overhead at this point. Rain still to our south from New York and Philadelphia westward to Wichita and Oklahoma City. That moves southward here Saturday to start off the weekend. Temperatures still remaining in the upper 60s to lower to middle 70s across the state with mainly sunny skies. Sunday, still remaining sunny. Seems to be a recurring pattern. Rain along the east coast down into the Gulf Coast, and clear and mainly sunny elsewhere. Monday to start off the new work week and the month of October. Rain across the New England states and across Florida and the Gulf Coast. Around here, still dry, still sunny, and still in the 60s and 70s. Tuesday, still dry, still sunny, still temperatures in the 60s and 70s. Rain in New England, rain in Florida, and elsewhere still remaining rather dry. But a week from today, we still have the zonal flow across the northern tier of the country, a few features across the south, including an upper level low off the west coast of California, and we could still see some rain over the south and east, rain across New England, and around here, that's right, sunny with temperatures in the 60s and 70s, so no real change. A couple days after this, we could see a trough coming down here with a ridge moving up into western Canada and even into the Northwest Territories and Yukon, and that might bring some rain down here on the 7th or so, and there could be some rain a little bit before this as well. So this could be the next chance of rain in about 8 to 10 days if this is right. And at the end of the forecast on October the 11th, a wavy pattern across the country, a bit of a disturbance to our north and west, split flow across the center part of the country, and then pretty zonal east of the Mississippi. And that could bring some rain across the southeast, rain and maybe a bit of mountain snow in the mountains of the northwest. And around here, fairly breezy and maybe warming back up if this is right. We'll see. But last night's satellite image showed showers and thunderstorms from about Cincinnati through Indianapolis to St. Louis to Kansas City down into Oklahoma City, where some severe weather was possible, including a tornado yesterday in Illinois. Around the watch warning map, it was fairly quiet by this point. A few flash flood warnings and flash flood watches to our south, air quality advisories in eastern Washington, and elsewhere it was fairly calm. QPF chart looks pretty calm around Iowa. This is rainfall for the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock, showing the heaviest rain where the rain is going to be the next couple of days, and around here we'll get likely nothing but sunshine.